what is sustainability? Sustainability means like using what we need now while making sure there's enough for people, animals, and nature in the future. It's about making sure that the earth is happy. So we protect the environment, help people live better lives, and use money wisely. Let's say a farmer can grow food without hurting the soil. So it stays healthy for more crops later. Also, factories can use clean energy so the air stays fresh and safe to breathe. It's like sharing and caring for the planet. So everything stays in balance and works well for a long, long time. That's sustainability.